No, this video is not clickbait. I just dropped 6.5 grand on the new M1 Max. I plan on buying as many different models and configurations as I can to test them all and provide recommendations to you guys. I think it's very important to make the most informed decision possible before spending a lot of money on a device, especially because I hate the whole upgrade cycle culture these days where we're pressured into upgrading our devices every 12 months. So let me do the thinking for you. And guys, I do plan on doing some pretty cool content here in the next few weeks and months. Honestly, the amount of views and traction my channel is gaining is absolutely insane. So I think at this stage, the only thing to do is to just go straight into it and go balls to the wall and try and pump out as much awesome content as I possibly can. Another exciting thing is I'll be announcing a giveaway in the next few days. I will literally be giving away a brand new MacBook Air to one of my viewers. I'm editing an awesome video right now on why I'm actually switching from Windows to Mac, which will contain more information about the giveaway. Here's a sneak peek. I'll have this video ready very soon, and there's no strings attached to the giveaway either. Everyone has a chance to win. Now, I've had a few people express some concern about me wasting money on these Macs and going broke. Guys, don't worry about me. Even before this whole YouTube thing, I set myself up pretty well with saving, investing, and even starting my own small consulting company on the side. I've streamlined my expenses to be super low as well. Side note, if you guys are interested in these topics and how I achieved this, I'm thinking about having a second channel where I go into more detail. Comment below if you're interested. Now, I'm sure as hell not rich, but I do okay, so I'll be fine if I invest all of my YouTube money back into my channel and also to you guys who have made all of this possible. A couple of hours ago, I also bought a FLIR thermal camera, so I'll be doing some more thermal tests on the Macs as soon as I can get them in from Apple. The other thing is I'm obviously making a heap of money from AdSense recently. I plan on making a video on this shortly so I can be 100% transparent and honest with all of you about how much I'm earning. I will literally show all of you my analytics dashboard and what I make each day and where all of the money comes from. I think this is important because so many YouTubers are so secretive about how they make their money, and I just want to be as transparent as possible from the very start. Now, in terms of what I intend on doing with all of these Macs, well, pretty much everything you can think of. I'll be testing the 8GB memory versions against the 16GB versions to see which one is the best choice for you. I'll be comparing the Mac Mini against the MacBook Pro, which on paper are actually the same spec. I'll be creating videos on tips and suggestions for your setups and usage, and as always, taking votes from my community on the most requested tests and benchmarks that people want to see. Anyway, guys, that's it from me for now. I'll be in touch shortly with some more updates, and as always, please tell me any tests or benchmarks you want me to see on the new M1 Max in the meantime, and I will catch you in the next one.